Welcome back to Investing Alchemist. In this episode, we are going to take a closer look at how the Indian stock market operates, making it easier for you to understand and navigate your investing journey. So, let's get started. Imagine you want to buy stocks in your favorite companies. Can you just stroll into the stock market and make a purchase? Not quite. You need a key player in the stock market, a broker. Brokers are like intermediaries who help you buy and sell stocks. They're the bridge between you and the stock market. Back in the day, you had to physically meet a broker, but now, thanks to technology, you can do it online. I'll also introduce you to a few good brokers later in this video. A broker is essential for buying and selling stocks. You can't directly access the stock market. You need to open an account with a broker. But it doesn't stop there. Different brokers offer various services, so you might need more than one depending on your investment strategy. In India, you'll come across different types of brokers, full-service brokers and discount brokers. Let's look at a few examples. Full-service brokers, companies like IIFL Securities, ICICI Direct, HDFC Securities, and Kotak Securities fall under this category. They offer a wide range of services, including research and advisory. They are ideal if you are looking for a more hands-on approach and are willing to pay higher brokerage fees. Discount brokers, firms like Zerodha, Fires, Upstocks, and Angel Broking are well-known discount brokers in India. They offer a no-frills, cost-effective way to trade. They provide you with the trading platform and execute your orders at a lower cost. Your choice of broker will depend on your preferences and investment goals. To get started in the stock market, you need to open an account with a broker. This account is like your gateway to the market. It consists of two parts, the Demat, short for dematerialized, account and the trading account. The Demat account is where your shares are held electronically. It eliminates the need for physical share certificates, making it safe and convenient. When you buy shares of a company, they are credited to your Demat account. Trading account, your trading account is where you keep the money you intend to use for buying shares. This account connects to your bank account, allowing you to transfer money from your bank to your trading account. You might wonder, is my investment safe with my broker? The answer is yes, but not because of the broker. Brokers don't hold your shares directly. Instead, they are stored with depositories. In India, there are two primary depositories, Central Depository Services Limited, CDSL, and National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL. These entities ensure the safety and integrity of your investments. So even if your broker faces financial troubles, your shares remain safe in the depository. And let's not forget SEBI. For the stock market to function smoothly and without foul play, there's a watchdog known as the Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI. It's a government organization established to regulate and supervise the securities market in India. SEBI's job is to ensure everything runs smoothly, no one cheats, and investors like you can trust the market. They're the reason you can confidently invest in the Indian stock market. SEBI formulates rules and regulations to protect the interests of investors and maintain market integrity. They ensure that companies listed on the stock exchanges meet certain standards of transparency and accountability. All these components, your broker, depository, and SEBI, come together to provide investor protection. This means that when you invest in the stock market, you are doing so in an environment where checks and balances are in place to safeguard your interests. So there you have it. Your journey in the Indian stock market starts with a broker who facilitates your trades. You'll open a demat account for holding your shares and a trading account for your funds. These accounts, along with the depositories and SEBI, ensure the safety of your investments. And don't forget, the choice of your broker matters. Different brokers offer varying features, so it's essential to select one that aligns with your investment strategy. Remember, we've made it simple for you. Check out the link in the description to compare various brokers in India and get ready to kickstart your investment journey with confidence. Stay tuned for more exciting content on Investing Alchemist. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe for more insights on finance and investing. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom.